What's up, you guys? I am back. Sorry about not making a Loot Crate video last month. I didn't get mine till about a week ago, and I figured, what's the point? It's too late in the month. Well, it was already half a month late. So here I am with this month's May's, the month of May. I don't remember what the theme was though. But we did get a Q-Fig. Rocket Raccoon. Badass. Mine's all messed up apparently. Why? I have no clue. Yeah, must have been rushed or something. Set of 6 colored pencils and sharpener. Loot Crate. Then my investigate. Secret order the keys. This thing wants to focus. There we go. Pretty cool. Oh, that's why we got the color pencils. Art of color in Star Wars, 30 images to inspire creativity. Yeah, screw the rebels. No, I don't want to color Yoda. Death Star, yes. It's pretty dope. It's pretty cool. The Death Star. Blue pins. Good Avatar The Last Airbender. Patches from Destiny. Oh yeah, the thing was Guardians. I forgot. Gonna try and open these with one hand, which is kind of hard. In the meantime, look at rack. And today, Hunter, Warlock, and Titan. Well, I was the Titan class, so I know which one I'm using. And another secret order the keys thing, which I will do, of course. Until next time, you guys. Well, once I get my Loot Crate DX, when that will be, I have no clue. This was a pretty good Loot Crate. I mainly like the Rocket Raccoon, of course, because, you know, Rocket's badass. Oh, and there's a little Groot right there. What? Oh, since it's already opened, guess I'll just open it. Pick this back up. These things are cool. The detail. Alright. Till next time, catch you guys on the flip side. Oh wait, no, forgot to show you guys the shirt. Ah, Goonies! Nearly forgot the shirt, you guys. And apparently it's Goonies themed. Hell yeah. It's all about the Goonies. The Goonies. Never say die. All in all, pretty good loot crate. Can't wait to use the the patches. Till then, catch you guys on the flip side.